Check out this fun graffiti template. This template puts you right into a city street. Allowing you to come up with all kinds of cool street art. Try removing some of this example content and filling the wall with your own masterpiece. What theme will your scribe take on? Maybe it could be city themed, or themed to vehicles or the environment. For the best effect, use outline and highlight images in bright colours, with the opacity set just below 100% in element properties. Arrange your content into striking patterns and collages to fill as much space as possible. You could even add some props to the street to support your story. We've included some funky graffiti shapes for you to jazz up your scribe with. Go for it!